Okay, so here in the functions chapter, so long answer questions we are going to get usually from the theorems, but the theorems topic and inverse topic is deleted at present for this 2021 exams. That's why we may get the questions okay from the VSAQs, combination of VSAQs or combination of VSAQ and SAQ, like that. Okay, so here in this problem, if f is from R to R, G maps from R to R are defined by f of x is equals to 2x square plus 3 and g of x is equals to 3x minus 2, then find f circle g of x, circle g of x and f circle g of 2, g of 2 here. Okay, so here now f circle g of x, g circle f of x and f circle f of 0, g circle of f circle of f of 3. First one, I am solving the first one. So first, what is given? So if you want to write the given data, so here given f of x is given as 2x square plus 3 and g of x is also given as 3x minus 2. Now finding the first one, okay, that is f circle g of x, f circle g of x. F circle g of x is nothing but f of g of x, f of g of x. So that is f of g of x. What is g of x here? 3x minus 2 is the g of x. F of g of x. Just in place of the g of x function, I am substituting the g of x here. Substituting the g of x function. Now f of some function, okay, it is nothing but what is f of x function? 2 into x square plus 3 is the f of x function. In place of x we have 3x minus 2. Write that 3x minus 2 as it is. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into a minus b whole square. Okay, a square, that is 3x whole square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 3x into 2. Okay, so plus 3 is as usual. Now this is equals to 2 into 3x whole square, 3 square and x square, 9x square, 2 square 4 minus 2 3 is 6 2 is 12. Okay, so 12x plus 3. Now this is equals to 9 is 18x square, 2 4 is 8, 2 6. 2 into 12 is 24x plus 3. Write them in the order and simplify here. So 18x square minus 24x, 8 plus 3 is 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, now if we solve the second one. So what is given here? Second one is given as g circle f of x. Second one is g circle f of x. So that is nothing but g of f of x. G of f of x. So here g of f of x is nothing but g of f of x. Whatever the function we have f of x, write in place of the f of x function. Okay, that is 2x plus 3, 2x square plus 3. Write that function here, 2x square plus 3. Okay, so now what is g of x function? What is g of x function? G of x function is 3x minus 2. 3 into x minus 2. What is in place of x? 2x square plus 3 in place of x. G of x in place of x, x only. Okay, in place of x we have 2x square plus 3. Write that 2x square plus 3 in place of x. 2x square plus 3. Okay, so now this is equals to 3 2 is a 6x square, 3 3 is a 9 minus 2. Okay, so this value is 6x square plus 11. Okay, g circle f of x, f circle g of x. Both are equal or not? Both are not equal. Here we did the g circle f of x, different answer. F circle G circle F and F circle G. So they are completely different answers. Different or not?
Yes.
Now here he is asking F circle F of 0. After this he is asking F circle F of 0. Okay. How to find F circle F of 0? F circle F of 0. Okay. This is F of 0. Okay. That means F of 0. In F of x function, in place of x, we have to substitute 0. In place of x, we are going to substitute 0. X replaced with 0. Okay. So that is nothing but here 2 into x means 0 square plus 3. Understood here? This is equals to 2 f of, okay, that is equals to f of 2 into 0 something, okay, so 0 into something is 0 plus 3 is 0, 3. 0 plus 3 is 3 only. Now f of 3. In place of x, we have 3. So I substitute 3 in place of x in the f of x function. Understood? Okay. So that is nothing but 2 into x square plus 3. What is x here? X value is 3. X is equals to 3. Replace 3 here. Okay. So now, okay, the value is 2 into 3 square is 9 plus 3. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 is the required solution. Understood? So next he is asking G circle of F circle of F of 3. Okay. So next fourth one, G circle of F circle F of 3. Okay. Is it the question? Yes. G circle of F circle F of 3. Okay. What is given G and F? Okay. 2x square plus 3, 3x minus 2. Okay. Once again I am writing here f of x is equals to, okay, so what is given here? F of x value 2x square plus 3. And what is g of x value? Okay, so here 2x square plus 3 and g of x is 3x minus 2. Okay, so just I am writing here, okay, so that we can solve it easily. Okay, now G circle of F circle F of 3. So G circle I am keeping like that as is. Now I open this, I am going to open this. Okay, so F of 3. If we open this brackets, we get like this. Okay. So or we can, if you open this circle also, then G of F of 3. So G of F of 3. In place of this x, in place of x, we have 3. In place of x, substitute 3. So 2 into x square plus 3. 2 into x square plus 3. Okay. What we have in place of x? We have 3. Okay. So now simplify here. If we simplify, this is g of f of, okay, so 2 into 3 square 9. 9 2 is 18. 18 plus 3. What is 18 plus 3? Okay, so the value is g of f of 18 plus 3 is 21. Yes. Okay. This 21 again we are going to substitute in place of x in this function. Okay. So that means g of f of 21. F of 21 in place of x, what function, what value we have? Okay, so write that 2 into x square plus 3. 2 into x square plus 3. What is x here? X means 21. Okay. So now this is equals to g of 2 into, what is 21 square ma? What is 21 square? Do you know? Okay, how to find 21 square or any number square? Okay, I'll explain you. Okay, the trick. Okay, 21 square. For example, here I am finding the 21 square. Okay, simple trick. Okay, so I am explaining you. Okay, so here right side number is 1, left side number is 2. What is left side number, ma? 2. What is right side number?
2.
1. Once
1.
again, left side number 2.
2.
Right side number
1.
1. Again, left side number
2.
2. Right side number
1.
1. What we are finding? Square.
12.
Okay, we are finding square. Okay, so now here left side number square right in the left side, right side number square right in the right side. What about the middle? Whatever we have the numbers, okay, here, okay, so multiply all these numbers, 2, 1 and square, that is also 2. So 2 into 1 into 2. Okay, very simple. So this gives you the answer. Okay, so what is answer here? 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. Okay, so here just
4 for 1.
yes. Okay.
441.
Yes, 1 square is 1 and 2 ones are 2 to the 4. Okay, and 2 square is 4. Like this, we can find any number square. Any number square we can find. Okay, this is the easiest one. So here starting you need a little bit practice. Okay, whenever you are perfect, directly you will write 1 square value is 1. Okay, directly you will write like this. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2 to the 4. You can write 2. Left side number 2 square 4. No need of writing this, practicing. Okay, starting just you practice once, twice. Okay, so that easily you can find any number square within fraction of seconds. Okay, so in plus 3 is as usual. Plus 3 is as usual. Okay, so now here, now, okay, so here, this is equals to g of, okay, 2 into 441. Okay, so multiply here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 2 fours are 8. Okay, and plus 3 is as usual. Plus 3 is as usual. G of 882 plus 3, 885. 885. Okay, G of 885. What is G of 885? What is G of x function? Just check the G of x function. That is 3 into x minus 2. Okay, what is x here? The value of x is 885. So write that. Okay, so now multiply here. Okay, so here this is equals to 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 8s are 6. Okay, 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25. Again 2 carry, 3 8s are 24 plus 2. Okay, 26 minus 2. Okay, that means 2653. 2653 is the answer here. Understood? Do you have any doubts?
No.
Okay, so here this is the rough, okay, and the trick here, so that easily you can do it. Okay, whenever okay you get the new tricks, I'll explain in between also. Okay, just you note down these tricks separately so that it is easy for you. Okay. Okay, here if f is mapped from R to R, G also maps from R to R are defined by f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 and g of x is equals to x square plus 1, then find f circle g of 2, f circle f of x square plus 1, g circle f of 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. How do we solve this? So what is given data here? Okay, so in this given here, what is given? So write the given data. So that is f of x is equals to 3x minus 1 and g of x is equals to x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Okay, now I am substituting, finding the first one. Here f circle g of 2. Already we know. How to find this f circle g of 2? Okay, if we expand, so f of g of 2 by removing this. Okay, so Now f of g of 2. What is g of 2? G of x function. Take the g of x function, that is x square plus 1. G of x is x square plus 1. So x square plus 1. Okay, what is x here? X is nothing but 2. So write 2. Right? 2 here. Okay, so now this value is f of 2 square is 4 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, f of 5. The value is f of 5. Now to go to f of x function here. F of x is 3x minus 1. F of x is 3x minus 1. Okay, now I am substituting here 3 into x minus 1. What is in place of x? In place of x we have 5. Write 5 in place of x. Write 5 in place of x. So the remaining part now we are simplifying. We simplify. Okay, so here this is equals to 3 5s are 15 minus 1. So final answer is 14. What is final answer? 14. Okay, so go to the next question here. Okay, so what is the next one? Second one. Second one is f circle f of x square plus 1. F circle f of x square plus 1. If we open the bracket, open f of x square plus 1. Okay, so now f of x square plus 1. What is f of x function? Okay, so go to f of x function. Okay, and check the function here. 3x minus 1 is f of x function. Okay, so that means 3 into x minus 1. Okay, what is in place of x? X is nothing but x square plus 1. Write that function as usual. Okay, so then after that if we simplify here, okay, multiply. By multiplying, this is equals to f of 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 1s are 3 minus 1. Okay, this is equals to f of 3x square plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Again we are substituting f of x function only. Okay, so the same value again I am substituting in the f of x function, that is 3x minus 1. Okay, so that means 3 into x minus 1. What is x here? X is nothing but 3x square plus 2. Okay, write 3x square plus 2. Okay, in place of x. In place of x. Okay, so now if you simplify, 3 3s are 9 x square, 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Okay, so that means 9x square, 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, this is the required solution. Understood? Okay, after that he is asking G circle f of 2a minus 3. What he is asking? Okay, G circle f of 2a minus 3. Okay, so third one he is asking G circle f of 2a minus 3. 2a minus 3. This is equal to G of f of 2a minus 3. G of f of 2a minus 3. G of f of, okay, so f of x function. What is f of x function? Okay, 3x minus 1. Okay, so 3 into x minus 1. Okay, what is in place of x? Okay, in place of x, 2a minus 3. Write that as usually. Okay, now this is equals to G of 3 2s are 6a minus 3 3s are 9 minus 1. This is equals to G of 6a minus 10. Okay, now we are going to substitute this in place of G of x function. Okay, what is G of x function? Check this, x square plus 1. G of x is x square plus 1. X square plus 1. What is x here? X is nothing but 6a minus 10. 6a minus 10. A minus b whole square. Okay, so substitute a minus b whole square formula. Okay, applying 6a whole square, that is 36a square, and 10 square. Okay, b square, 10 square, and 2ab minus 2ab minus 2 into 6a into 10. Okay, plus 1 is as usually. So this is 36a square minus 2 6 are 12. 12 into 10, 120a, plus 10 square 100 plus 1, 101, 101. This is the required solution. Understood? After that, next question. Here, the next one is similar. Are you following these problems? Given functions f of x is 4x minus 1 and g of x is x square plus 2. All these functions are approximately similar. Okay. So now here, first one is g circle f of x. G circle f of x. That is nothing but g of f of x. Tell me what we are going to write now. G of. Tell me first. F of x means write the
4x minus 1. 4x
f of
minus
x
1.
function. Okay. Directly 4x minus 1. Okay. That means now this 4x minus 1. Okay. We are going to substitute in the f of g of x function now. G of x function is x square plus 2. What is in place of x? X is 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. Now we apply a minus b whole square formula again. A square 4x whole square, that is 4 square 16x square, b square 1 square is 1, minus 2ab, minus 2 into 4x into 1. Okay, 2 4 8x. Okay, plus 2 as usual. So the final answer is x square term minus x term, then constant term. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll go to the next one. Okay, what is the second one in this? G circle f of a plus 1 by 2, a plus 1 by 4, sorry, a plus 1 by 4. Okay, here also if you open g of f of a plus 1 by 4, a plus 1 by 4. Okay, so now this is equal to g of f of x. What is in place of f of x function?
4x
F of x is 4x minus 1. 4 into x minus 1. Okay, so write that function first. In place of x, whatever we have. Okay, so that is a plus 1 by 4. Write that a plus 1 by 4. Okay, here we can cancel this 4 and 4, right? We cancel this 4 and 4, then okay. So what we get? G of a plus 1 minus 1. Again, plus 1 minus 1 also gets cancelled. We get g of a. Okay, what is g of a? What is g of x function? G of x function is x square plus 2. Okay, that means x square plus 2. What is x here? X is nothing but in place of x we have a. So write a here. A square plus 2. A square plus 2. This is the final answer. This is final answer. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that we have to find the f circle f of x. F circle f of x. So f circle f of x, third one. F circle f of x. So this is equals to f of x. F of x. So this is equals to f of, what is f of x? Write that function here. F of x is 4x minus 1. Okay, write 4x minus 1 in place of the f of x function. 4x minus 1 in place of the f of x function. Understood? Now this is equals to f of x. Again, f of x is nothing but 4x minus 1 only. 4 into x minus 1. What is in place of x again? 4x minus 1. That 4x minus 1 only we are substituting in. Okay, 4x minus 1 function. Okay, now this is equals to, okay, 4 4s are 16. Okay, 16x minus 4 minus 1. This is equals to 16x minus 5 is the answer. Next, okay, if we go to the fourth one. Okay, what he is asking the fourth one? G circle of F circle f of 0. G circle of F circle f of 0. Okay. So if you take this function G circle f of, okay, so G circle of F circle f of 0. This is equals to G of f of 0. Okay. So that means G of f of 0. Okay, so take the f function. F function is 4x minus 1. Okay, so 4x minus 1. 4 into x minus 1. Okay, what is in place of x? Write that.
0.
X means 0. Write 0 in place of x. Okay, so that means this is equals to G of f of. Okay, so here 4 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 only. Now we are finding the value of f of minus 1. F of minus 1. F of minus 1 means, how do we find f of minus 1? Okay, so G of f of minus 1. F of x function already we know that is 4x minus 1. 4 into x minus 1. Okay, what is in place of x? Minus 1. In place of x we have minus 1. Write that minus 1 here. Write that minus 1. So it becomes G of minus 4 minus 1. So this is equals to G of minus 5. Okay. What is G of minus 5? Substitute this in place of in the G of x function. Okay. So x square plus 2. G of x is x square plus 2. X square plus 2. What is in place of x? X is minus 5. Write minus 5 here. Minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 2. 25 plus 2 is 27. This is the required solution. Understood? Understood, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So next one. Here, if the function f is defined by f of x is equals to 3x minus 2 for x greater than 3. Okay, x square plus minus 2 for minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. 2x minus 2x plus 1 for x less than minus 3. Then find the values of if exist here. Okay, so first one f of 4, second one f of 2.5, f of minus 2. Okay, so then f of minus 4. Okay, and f of 0, f of minus 7. F of minus 7. Okay, so be careful. This is very simple problem here. Very simple. Okay, so what is given here? Given question is f of x is equals to okay, so one is 3x minus 2 and x square minus 2 and 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is the function here, and conditions, he gave some conditions. Okay, first one condition x greater than 3, and that means f of x function have 3 values, 3 functions. Okay, we are getting 3 values. So based on the condition, if it satisfies, if x value is more than 3, we use this function. If x value is in between minus 2 and 2, then we use this function. Okay, if x value is less than or less than minus 3, less than minus 3, then we use the third function. Okay, so now here I am taking the first one. So in first one I have to find f of 4. Okay, so x in place of x we have 4. 4 is more than 3, greater than 3. Greater than 3 means we have to substitute this in place in the 3x minus 2 function. Since x is equal to 4 greater than 3, this implies f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 is the function. In place of x we have 4, so simplify here. Okay, so if we simplify 3 4s are 12 minus 2, 12 minus 2 is 10. That is the answer. Understood? Next, second one. If we go to the second one, what is second one? We have to find the 2.5, f of 2.5. Check the 2.5 value. Is it greater than 3? No. Is it Okay, so in between -2 and 2.5, is it in between -2 and +2? No. Okay, so is it less than -3? No. Okay, is it exist? No, does not exist. Okay, not satisfying the condition is x is equal to 2.5. Okay, not satisfying the given condition. Okay, therefore f of 2.5 does not exist, right? Now he is asking f of -2. -2 means it is equal to, here we can take this function. Why? Because -2 also included in this. Okay, x value we can take -2 also. So now f of -2. Third one is f of -2. F of -2 means, what is the function here? -2 means x square minus 2. X square minus 2 is the function. Okay, so take that x square minus 2. X square minus 2. Okay, since why we are taking x is equal to -2, x is equal to -2 is satisfying, okay, the condition -2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Okay, this implies, okay, for this f of x is equal to x square minus 2. So what is x value? In place of x we have -2. Write that -2 minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, after this, next what we have, fourth one is f of -4. -4 is more less than -3. 2x plus 1 function we take.
Third one.
Yes, third one. 2x plus 1 is the condition here. Okay, so here fourth one, right? F of -4 is equals to, what is the x value here? X is equal to -4, satisfying x is less than -3. Okay, so and what is the function here? F of x is equals to, what is the function, ma?
2x minus 1 plus 1.
2x plus 1. Function is 2x plus 1. So substituting here 2 into x plus 1. What is x here? Just replace x with -4. X value -4. 2 4s are 8. So we get -8 plus 1. -8 plus 1 is -7. -7. Okay. So third, fourth also completed. Next, fifth one. What is fifth one? F of 0. F of 0. Okay. So fifth one is, this is third case. Fifth one, f of 0. Okay. 0 is in between this. Okay. 0 is in between -2 and +2 only. Okay. So that means we can take the same function again. We can take the same function, right?
Yes.
So that is nothing but here x square minus 2 is the function. X square minus 2, since x is equal to 0, is satisfying -2 between x minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to. So function is f of x is equal to x square minus 2. Okay, so x is equal to, what is in place of x? We have 0. So 0 square minus 2, that means -2. That means -2. Okay. Next, sixth one also given here, f of -7. Okay, so sixth one is given as f of -7. F of -7 is more than -3. Okay, we can apply the same condition here. Whatever we applied, okay, that same condition we are going to apply here. Is it satisfying this condition or not? 2x plus 1. Okay, 2 into x plus 1 Okay, so x is minus 7. So 2 7s are 14. Minus 14 plus 1. That means minus 13. Minus 13. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next, we go to the next question. This is also similar to that. This is also similar to that. Okay, do you try once?
Yes, sir.